the rise of remote work and its impact on immigration. Welcome, everyone. Imagine being able to live anywhere in the world, while still earning a great salary from a company based thousands of miles away. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, thanks to remote work, this is now a reality for millions of people. Remote work has transformed the job market, but what does this mean for immigration? Will countries open their borders to digital workers, or will they impose stricter regulations? In today's video, we are diving deep into the rise of remote work and its impact on global immigration. We will explore how digital nomads are changing the way people move, the countries that welcome them, and what this means for the future of work. If you are thinking of working remotely while living abroad or just curious about how immigration policies are shifting, stick around. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on work, travel, and global mobility. Number 1. How remote work has changed global mobility. For decades, immigration was mostly tied to work visas. If you wanted to move to another country, you usually needed a job offer from a local employer. But remote work has completely disrupted this model. Now, you can work for a company based in New York while living in Bali. You can be a freelancer from Nigeria serving clients in Germany. This has created a shift in how people choose where to live. Instead of moving for a job, people are now moving for lifestyle, cost of living, and better quality of life. This has forced governments to rethink immigration policies, leading to new visa categories specifically for remote workers. Number 2. Countries that welcome remote workers. Some countries are embracing remote workers with open arms. They have introduced special visas that allow you to live there while working for a foreign employer or running your own business. Let's take a look at some of the best destinations for remote workers. 1. Portugal. Portugal offers a digital nomad visa that allows remote workers to live in the country for up to 1 year, with the option to extend. With its affordable cost of living, great weather, and access to the European Union, it has become a top choice for remote professionals. 2. Spain. Spain recently introduced a digital nomad visa as part of its startup law. It allows remote workers to stay for up to 5 years, provided they earn most of their income from outside Spain. 3. Estonia. Estonia was one of the first countries to launch a digital nomad visa, allowing remote workers to stay for up to a year. It also has an e-residency program, which makes it easy for freelancers and entrepreneurs to set up businesses. 4. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Dubai offers a virtual working program that allows remote workers to live in the city while working for an international employer. The visa is valid for 1 year and provides access to Dubai world-class infrastructure. 5. Thailand. Thailand has long been a favorite for remote workers. While it does not have a specific digital nomad visa, its long-term residence visa offers options for professionals earning above a certain income. 6. Barbados. Barbados introduced the welcome stamp, a visa that lets remote workers stay for up to 1 year. It is perfect for those who want to enjoy island life while continuing their careers remotely. 7. Mexico. Mexico's temporary resident visa allows remote workers to stay for up to 4 years. With its low cost of living and vibrant culture, it has become a remote work hotspot. Number 3. Challenges and risks of remote work immigration. While remote work visas offer exciting opportunities, there are some challenges and risks you should be aware of. Taxation issues. Some countries require you to pay local taxes even if your employer is based elsewhere. Make sure to check tax laws before moving. Visa limitations. Some digital nomad visas do not lead to permanent residency or citizenship. So if you are looking for a long-term move, consider this before applying. Cost of living mismatches. While some remote work hubs are affordable, others, like Dubai and some parts of Europe, can be expensive. Always budget accordingly. Changing immigration policies, countries can change their visa rules at any time, so always stay updated before making a move. Number 4. The future of remote work and immigration. What's next for remote work and moving abroad? Here is the simple breakdown. More countries will start offering special visas for remote workers because they want to attract people who earn money online. Taxes might change to make it easier for remote workers to pay their fair share without scaring them away. Tech like blockchain, AI, and better online banking will make working from anywhere smooth and hassle-free. Bottom line, work is becoming truly global, and immigration rules are adapting fast. So if you've ever dreamed of working from a new country while exploring different cultures, now's the time. More places are opening their doors to digital nomads like you. Thinking about making the move? Drop a comment below, and if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might be interested. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.